Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView's Pine Editor. First, locate the Pine Editor panel at the bottom of your TradingView chart. Click on it to open the editor. This powerful tool allows you to write custom indicators and trading strategies directly within the platform. It's a fantastic way to personalize your analysis and automate your trading ideas. Get ready to unlock new possibilities for your charting experience. To begin writing your first script, click the Open button and select New Blank Indicator. The first line should specify the Pine script version, like // version equals 5. Next, use the indicator function to define your script's name and properties such as indicator, my first script, overlay equals true. This sets up the basic framework for your custom tool. You're now ready to add your unique logic. Now let's plot some data. The plot function is essential for visualizing your calculations on the chart. For example, plot close color equals color. Blue will display the closing price. You can also declare variables using var or equals to store values for complex calculations. Experiment with different plot styles and colors to make your indicators clear and informative. This helps you interpret market movements effectively. Once your strategy is complete, use the strategy tester to backtest its performance against historical data. This crucial step helps you understand how your strategy would have performed in the past. Pine Editor also offers many built-in functions for advanced analysis, like TA, SMA, for simple moving averages. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Continuously refine your scripts to improve their effectiveness and explore new trading opportunities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.